Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2014 Fiat 500L Lounge. Stock number Z7868A. Only 16,000 miles in this one owner. Local trade comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Forest green in color. 500L is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5, leather interior. Split seat back folds down for additional cargo space as well as tumbles forward. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. Backup camera. Rear parking sensors for additional safety. Ample storage space in the rear with removable privacy cover. Upgraded Beats by Dre sound system. And very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This lounge has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, heated front seats, oversized panoramic moonroof. Gauges, again only 16,000 miles. Cruise control. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Navigation capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect those mobile media devices. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Dual glove boxes. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, power moonroof, and suspension control. Under the hood, this 500L has a 1.4 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 160 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 24 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 33 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on this 500L, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.